To safely pay your credit card bill with Google Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with the service and you have the Google Pay app installed. Open the app and sign in to your Google account if you have not already done so. Next, add your credit card to Google Pay by navigating to the Payment Methods section and selecting the option to add a new card. You will need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once your card is added, navigate to the credit card issuer's website or mobile app to find the bill payment option. Look for the Google Pay logo to confirm that the issuer accepts Google Pay payments. To initiate the payment, select Google Pay as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Google Pay app. Review the payment details, including the payment amount and the credit card being used, to ensure everything is accurate. If the information is correct, confirm the payment and you will receive a notification that the payment has been processed successfully. It is essential to keep your device and Google Pay app up to date to ensure the latest security features are in place. Additionally, always monitor your credit card statements to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to your credit card issuer immediately. By following these steps, you can safely pay your credit card bill with Google Pay and take advantage of the convenience and security the service offers. It is also a good practice to use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your transactions. By paying your credit card bill with Google Pay, you can avoid late fees, earn rewards, and stay on top of your finances. Always review the terms and conditions of your credit card and Google Pay to understand any applicable fees or charges.